75% of solo practitioners and solopreneurs are going to be ignoring this in 2021. And it's really a shame because it's all about following up and following through on leads that you're getting in your business. And see, in my fitness business, when I had that, and even now in my current business, what I have realized is I don't have a leads problem. I have a follow-up problem, or I should say I had a follow-up problem until I fixed it years ago, and that's what fixed my business because I was able to transfer and convert the leads that were coming in to ultimately to new customers. And a lot of solo practitioners out there just don't have the time to follow up consistently and persistently with the leads that are coming in. And so they'll make one phone call, or they'll send a text or send an email or rely on automation to do a lot of the heavy lifting for them to create appointments. And for a certain percentage of individuals out there, they will book the appointment, but depends on what your demographic is. Maybe they will book an appointment, maybe they won't. Maybe they need a phone call to actually push them over the edge to book the appointment with you so that you can ultimately help them, right? And grow your practice. And what I've seen over and over and over again is that it takes 10 to 12 touches to just get somebody on the phone. And if you don't have, 30 minutes per lead to spend following up and following through, because that's on average how long it takes to get a lead ultimately on the phone is 10 touches at 3 minutes a dial, in my estimation. That's a lot of time. And if you're getting 10, 15 leads a week or more, then you're looking at hours of time following up on those leads. And I'm not saying that to scare you. I'm just saying that it's a problem that most business owners face. And if they don't solve that problem by hiring, either outsourcing it to companies like mine or hiring somebody internally to do that for them, they're going to be losing a lot of money, especially this year, the rest of this year, and the rest of in the years to come, as things are shifting from online to offline, and can we meet with people, and everything that's kind of up in the air with businesses not quite knowing, especially brick and mortar business, not quite knowing if they can actually see their customers face to face. And it's something that if you're not standing out from your competition and being assertive with following up on leads, somebody else is going to. So it might as well be you. So get into following up on those leads. And in fact, I've created a little workbook that helps you put that process in place. And I'd love for you to have it. I'm going to put the link down in the comments below. So go ahead and grab that and start implementing now and grow your business. Until next time, have a great day.